Oh, I need to cut that light out. That light too fucking bright. Let's go. Light out. Light out. Light out. Clamp on. All right. Let's share the screen. Let's share the screen. We're starting currently. I'm gonna leave the have multiple entry points or POIs that I'm looking at. So it's kind of straight on with it. Yesterday was easy. But today we have it different. We have it on the top side and the bottom side on a high time frame right now, which is different. So it's going to be a learning curve, which is what I'm going to take it as today, and I'm going to roll with it, and I'm going to learn something. Either way, the strategy is a strategy. I'm still looking for entry points on the line. Hopefully they give it to us. I'm sure they will. We just have to watch out for it. So we'll be scanning the 3, the 6. Hell, we're gonna be scanning all of them. I'm probably not gonna go higher than the 9 because I'm already expecting something on the top and bottom of the 3 hour where we have our POIs at. So 9 will be the highest. I already know what I'm looking at currently on YM. YM gave us our gap down for our bottom side to get into. So I'm just waiting for it to get back to the 144. See what they want to do. But do take note that even though we have a gap down, they always give us a second SMT. So with that being said, they may run it up a little bit and they may come back down and give another sweep after 12 o'clock because they usually give 2 SMTs after our entry, like they did yesterday. I don't know if you saw it, but they gave a second SMT. That's when they took off. So, and that is a signature that they use. Now, it doesn't always come directly back like it did yesterday, but it always comes back and gives another bounce from the same place. So we have YM taken up to the EMA right now currently. Let me see, make sure this sound is on there for YouTube, bro. I ain't fucking with him. Hold on. Let's get this shit right. All right. Okay. Just be aware we got 4 minutes to open, so there's nothing that makes me want to jump in the market now. So we're sitting tight and we're gonna wait for the clutter and the bomb fragments to clear from the opening bell and all the scrap metal so we don't fucking get injured in the fucking goddamn fucking devastation. And we'll be the cleanup crew and we're gonna come through and clean this shit up. That's it. Pick up the fucking goddamn fucking valuables and put them in our pocket since they're gonna kill everybody when the bell open. And yeah, that's a wrap. So I got nothing, and I'm gonna let this shit ride. I'm gonna glance at the 30-second real quick. I got nothing on the 30 currently. What's it, boy? Hello? I lost you, bro. Oh, okay. I thought I lost you. Okay. All right. Gotcha. Okay. All right. Yeah, if you come across the 3, you know exactly what it is. I'm not a swing high, not nothing. When it's like really formed, goddamn shit, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm still gonna be scanning them though. I mean, whatever. 30-second got nothing. Let me check YM's 30-second real quick. YM's 30-second doesn't have anything at all right now. I'm not going to the 15. That is definitely a negative. Absolutely not. I hear you, ego. Ego, you can kiss my ass this morning. That's not what we're doing. So we got fucking a lot of movement going on. A lot of movement going on right now, which is cool. And hopefully they're using that bottom side that we used yesterday based on the 3 hour, based on the 6 minute going up yesterday that we got into. So the 6 hour and the 3 hour, I mean the 6 minute and the 3 minute formed. all yesterday at the same time to the top side. So that's that's a good confirmation in itself. I mean, you got two time frames aligning that are bullish with the pattern. So I'm taking notes of all that shit. It is not just the pattern. I'm looking at the frequency, who did it, if multiple people did it at the same time, high, lower time frames lining up. This is a first for me right here. So I'm definitely going to pay attention. I got two firsts. I got a 6 minute and a 3 hour lining up to the top side. The 6 hour, the 6 day had a good run. Left the 3 hour intact. So it still has to sweep the low on the 3 hour, which YM just did, and gap down per hour entry. So I do have us bullish. If I had to just pick a side, I would have that. But regardless of what side I pick, the entry will always be on the EMA, regardless. So I'm looking to find this bitch going up, and I will be aware if it's going down. And we're gonna roll with that and just keep our eyes open. So I think we should be good to go though, bro. We're getting better and better every fucking day. I mean, that is fucking definitely evident that we're getting better and better every day for sure. So uh, let's just keep doing that, and we should be okay. We should be okay. Shortest stop loss ever, and whatever happens, happens. There you go. Keep on fucking goddamn acting crazy. All right, so I'm gonna look at the 3 minute as well. Let me glance up real quick. I got put YM on there. What? Let me switch. God damn, that's a big fucking wick over there. Okay, all right. Y'all motherfuckers tripping. Set tripping. I'm not to you. If they show that bit on 30 seconds, I will fucking use that motherfucker. I got nothing on the. I got nothing on the one. I got the one on another chart. I'm not gonna pull that up yet. I'm gonna keep the 30-second live on the screen. I might have to come up with a different criteria for these this three candle. No, the three candle pattern to where they're not all the same color. I'm gonna have to study that a little bit more in depth. Not right now, but they're holding, bro. When I say the three, all three candles holding going through the line, if they're coming in single handedly, if they're the same color or not, bro, they're holding at that fucking line. I mean, how many times am I gonna let it go by me? You know what I'm saying? So without studying it, I'm not just gonna take the trade and pick the PS. They have been holding, so I'm just gonna take note of that. So let's let this rubbish clear out because you can see what they're doing. I mean, they're not just fucking goddamn. Oh, we hit the 3 hour period. Everybody that can. I ain't got no level that it shouldn't go past except for the 3 hour, bro. That is it. There is nothing else. If you got the 3 hour level marked out on the PSP, which is 9 a.m., then you know that yeah, you should know that the 3 hour on NQ should not clock 9:30 yesterday candle. So and yes, well, one of them can go past it. All of them can't go past it based on where I'm at anyway. But we are being aware that all of them can close past. One of them can sweep the next prominent low as well. So we dump it off the table just because everybody closed past. I will shoot for the next prominent low. So let's see how they want to play it. All right. I got nothing on the 1, nothing on the 30. Shoot to the 3. I did have something on the 3, bro. The one I was looking at to get into the trade on the 3 that happened at 7:30. And it's still, I don't know. What the hell is going on? I got fucking missing candles. What the fuck is going on? I got a whole bunch of fucking candles. What the? Oh, y'all gotta be shitting me. Hold up. I gotta refresh. Goddamn. All right. Motherfucker, dude. Give me my candles, dude. Okay, there you go. God damn shit. Y'all fucking tripping, dude. All right. I got nothing on the 3. Let me check that shit over there on YM real quick. They're not coming into it. Let me check the 6 on YM. They're nowhere near the 6 on YM. They're nowhere near the 9 on YM. Cool. Just stay back on. Let me check the 30-second real quick. Watch D2s. I got nothing that I like to see on that motherfucker. God damn. I'm not using no breaker blocks. I wish I could, but I don't have enough insight to use those things. So that's cool. In time on macro time. So I'm not expecting something to transpire right now, of course. So, but anyway, we'll let that ride. And I should just go fucking goddamn twist up one. That's what I should have goddamn do. Let me take a glance at the 3 on NQ. Let me take the 6 real quick. 6 is C. Let's check the 9 on NQ and ES. All right, so we do have lows coming into the line on NQ. That's cool. So nothing the same color yet. We are coming into the EMA as well on the 3 minute on YM. Hear that. Let me take a glance at the fucking 3 hour one more time, just so I can see what he's doing. Say what again? 933 gap down for who? On a 1 minute? On 3. Yeah, it gapped down on the 3 hour. On the 3 hour? No, it didn't close above on the 3 hour. The 3 hour candle don't close till 12, bro. Yeah, it gapped down, but the 3 hour didn't close it. It closed back above it on the 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, it closed back above on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'll give you that, but that doesn't hold any weight where I'm at, bro. And it shouldn't hold any weight where you're at. It's not gonna hold, but closures is where I'm at. I'm always, I'm always talking about closure, bro. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna change from the 3 hour to the 1 minute, bro. There's always got to be a closure. Only thing I'm looking for is a line. If it is gonna hold and it is the one, there's gonna be a setup on the 144 to the top side. That's all you need to know. Yeah, I mean, you can pull the trigger if you like, but you're gonna learn a lesson here because NQ is falling right now. Yeah, and they could turn right around on these candles. I ain't saying they're not, but yeah, I mean, if you want to risk that, bro, and get your learning and start learning stuff the way I learned in the first place after all this time, I wouldn't recommend it. But be my guest, bro. That's all I can tell you. be my guest, bro. You can have at it all you want. And when you realize what I'm trying to tell you, then you'll be like, oh shit, I wasted all kind of fucking time trying to fucking do some new shit. I don't found every possible way to fuck this shit up, bro. Yeah. I found every possible way to fuck this shit up. I mean, if you don't want to hear what I'm trying to tell you, bro, I mean, you can take the input in on your own and then feel those emotions that you don't need to feel. Oh yeah, that three no, bro. Yeah, I got that box still on my other chart. I see it close back past it. I'm not overlooking that at all, dude. It should be. It seems like it should be ready to go though. I'm not gonna even bullshit you because we got the S&T on those lows, so it's probably ready to go. But I'm still gonna wait for it to get to the line. I'm still gonna wait for it to get to the line. Somebody's gonna give it to us on the 30-second, the 1 minute, or the 3 minute going through this EMA, bro. This is what I'm trying to say. You don't have to rush this shit. We already got a 3-hour POI that got hit. We got a gap down. All we got to do is wait for it because we know that. Of course, we got the POI hit, and we just wait for the entry. The same thing we do, bro. Every time we get a higher time frame POI, if you're going to the lower time frame to get in, especially if you're talking about the 3 hour, bro. If you're talking about something like from the 3 hours, a little bit different where I'm at. In my opinion, I could be overstating it. I could be being over careful. I don't know, but either way, uh, we're here to protect capital. So I'm going to protect it with all the knowledge that I've been currently given to the best of my ability. As much as I want to get into a 3 hour gap down, uh, I always wait for it to close on the lower time frame. So why wouldn't I wait for it to close on the 3 hour time frame? It's got to close at 12. Not saying that I'm going to wait till 12. If they show the goddamn entry, we're going to take this trade, bro. But it's got to happen on the 144 on the 30. And yeah, 30 seconds doing nothing. My 1 minute is doing I'm looking at all of them, bro. I'm looking at all of them. Looking at all of them. We don't have only thing we got. Only thing we got is shit. We got the fucking pattern on fucking 1 minute on YM, but it ain't on the fucking line. So with that being fucking said, what am I gonna do? That is a 938 candle. Same candle, same closure. They did give a gap down. They swept the PSP with candle. They did. Nah, I can't fuck with it. It's just not on my fucking one. The 144 is showing me it's fucking powerful, bro. There's no need for me to do nothing else. That shit is away from my fucking line. Could yeah, yeah. You got another 2 candles to print. You got current candle and 1 more to print, bro. You got a while. You got a while. 6 9 9 shit. Ain't nothing. Okay. All right, I see that. So if they motherfucking do this right now, I can only collect data based on the fucking pattern that didn't happen on the line. And if that is the freaking case, we're getting the fucking SMT fucking right now. On the 1. If they're gonna make that right there whole, but I mean, shit. I'm gonna have to walk away and fucking goddamn look at that bitch and fucking take some fucking data, bro. I can't fucking do nothing. Everything we've been taking is going to be on the line. Everything. So there ain't no really debating within. I'm looking at the 30-second. The 30-second is printing something right now. So let me be aware of that motherfucker. Okay, boom, boom. Is it gonna give it to me? Shit. 30 seconds doesn't want to give it to me. Go up there, dude. Quit fucking bullshit. Nope. No bueno. All right, cool. Shift 2, shift through. 3 minutes. What about it, bro? What about it, bro? I'm, I'm not saying the 3 candle pattern at 936 is not going to hold, bro. It's just not on the line where we're accustomed taking these trades at. All right, 1 minute not showing anything. 30-second did not show anything. 1 minute shows something on YM, but it doesn't look good for me. So that is a wrap for that. Right now, the 3 minute at the EMA, not that they have 3 candles, but I'm aware that the 3 minute is on the EMA currently. So also the 6 minute as well. So let's see how they want to do it. It's still early. It's 9:47. We waited almost an hour into the thing yesterday to take a freaking trade. So it doesn't matter how long we wait. If you're willing to wait, you'll catch the best trade. Looking for it, then you can take a trade. That's what it tells me. You're gonna have to solidify that shit, bro. And this is exactly why, right here. This is exactly why. If you do anything outside of the 144, you probably just gambling. Based on this strategy, anyway. Based on this strategy now. I mean, if you want to come up with something else, then that's real bold. That's all I can say. It's real bold. Come up with something else outside when we know the 144 already worked. 6 minute is off the table. We don't have 2 consecutive candles. 9 is doing nothing. Let me shift to 3 over here. 3 is doing nothing. We don't have any consecutive candles at all. I'm not saying that we freaking need them, but what I would like to have them, and I will use them for every trade I get in. So we got nothing on the 1. And I'm gonna go back to the 30-second. I got nothing on the 30-second either. So we're still waiting for this macro to kick in. And we're gonna be patient, and we're gonna catch their ass just like we caught them yesterday. That's just what's gonna happen, bro. It's not the shit is too. Yeah, this is too easy, bro. No, that's right. This right here is good. S&T on this bottom will be great based on the 3-hour already sweeping to go up to the top side. So we need a second S&T. This would be our second S&T if NQ can sweep this low right here to the left, or ES, or just one of the assets, just one of them. Shit. It doesn't matter which one. All right, so they're trying to trade a 6 minute chart is different. They got to be smoking crack. This current 6 minute chart, yeah, they're definitely on. Okay, 1 minute coming back up into our line, which is cool. Not really tripping. They might be fucking goddamn going though. 9:49. That 9:49 is not gonna hold for that 1 minute low, bro. There ain't no way they're gonna leave that one. They're not gonna leave that. There's no way they're gonna leave a 49 as a low. Seen it too many times. They're trying to weed people in these sides right now. So all we have to do is wait for that thing that we know that they're ready to move. We already know what it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? Shit. So real quick in a hurry. We got another damn near uh, almost 25, 30 minutes in the macro left. So I got nothing on the one. We're watching all of them. I got nothing on the. I got nothing on the 30-second. Run to the 3. I like this high right here though. I like this high on the 3 minute to go through. Matter of fact, shit, ES is about to close above that same freaking high. Yeah, but it still ain't. They haven't showed entry. It's on the way though. I know it's on the way. It's got to be on the way. One of these time frames is going to live. It's going to be on either 1 minute or the 3 minute. 30-second is already out of whack. Well, it could be on 30 seconds. Well, 30-second is they're close to the line on NQ. Let me check 30-second on NY YM real quick. They are way off on YM. Way off, dude. So I'm definitely not expecting YM to pull that. Let me check YM 6 minute. YM is they're coming in the 6 minute. That's cool. YM's 9 minute is coming into the 9 minute as well. That'd be awesome if they can pull this 9 minute. 9 minute is setting up wonderfully like right now on YM right now. That'd be awesome. Matter of fact, let me show you what's happening on YM. Let me put this on the screen. This is what we're looking for, dude. We will be looking for buys on NQ, not YM. We're gonna be looking for buys on NQ. Whatever happens on the other assets, we always trade NQ. Now, do I have to always trade NQ? No, but it seems to. I mean, I might as well keep on doing it. I don't even know how I even got to that point. That's the funny part about it. How I use everything else to pull the trigger on NQ. That is strange as fuck now that I really think about it. But yeah, it seems like I would use the asset that I don't know. It is what it is, bro. Let's just roll with it because it seems to be working. How much time we got on the 9 minute candle, bro? You know, can you give me a heads up real quick? Okay. Yeah, no rush, no rush. I mean, I know it's got a good bit. It should have a good bit of time left in it. 7 minutes. Yeah, plenty of time, bro. Plenty of time. So with that being said, I'm gonna still keep check on the 30-second. I got nothing on the one shifting through. I got nothing. I'm gonna shift to the 9 minute. Yeah, I just need to know when it closed, man. You said we got 7 minutes, so I know we got that. That's a lot of time, bro. I'm gonna keep giving you heads up. Yeah. I can let you know when the 5 minute, the 3 minute mark. All right. Sounds good. Sounds good, bro. Sounds good. All right. 1 minute has nothing showing. Shift back to the 3 one more time. Nothing. And 6 minute, I will take a glance. And I already know it's finagle fucked over here on. Yeah, there ain't nothing you can do with this right here. All right, so I am, and that's it. But we'll be scanning very frequently through all these time frames, like very frequently. Every 30 seconds, every minute, we're gonna be shifting through to find out who's getting closer, who's doing what. So this shit is not about to slide by me, bro. If they show it, I'm gonna find it. I mean, that's just what it is. There ain't, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's not gonna go by me anymore. They already had their slide by moments of running this shit by me where I was missing it when I was unfamiliar with it. Now, nah, you're not about to get this shit by me, bro. Nah, fuck no. Ain't no fucking way. I mean, can the trade itself, the sweep of that 949 candle I was talking about? This is what we're looking for. Potentially. So let's see how they want to run it. What candle is that? 957. 957 is not going to work at all. Not for me. It can now. Don't get me wrong, but 957 is not what I'm looking for. Closure of the 957 candle is 35.37. The open of this candle is 35.50. So it did gap down. It did gap down. And we have a volume imbalance at the 56 candle and the 57 candle right there as well. And it's gapping through it currently because it gapped up. If it gaps up like it is right now and closes above, more sweep of a low, and then they'll probably be ready to go up from there. Let's see how they want to play it. And they could just run that bitch all the way up to the fucking goddamn top. But at that point in time, I'll be on the EMAs. It's there, but no PS. So let's keep on rambling in our mind, keeping the neurons firing, and wait for this. Let's go to 30 second to see where they're at. 30 second is coming in hot on the ES right now. They may be setting up. I got it on screen. Maybe they'll give us the closure and leave us a wick right there. Let's see if they. Nope, they didn't want to leave. They wick through it. I mean, it's still potentiality because this candle right here could close, and the next one could do it as well. So, so they're not even gonna give us that blow through on YM. They're way down. I'll go back to it here in a minute. Yeah, just gonna be patient with this, bro. Just gonna be patient with this real quick. Ain't no big deal at all. What's that word? Yeah, no, it's red though. It's red. So I just went over there, dude. It's red. It doesn't matter what it does now. I mean, it go back up in 2 minutes, but I doubt it's about to shoot a big ass candle of green candles here in the next 2 minutes, bro. There's no way in the fuck it's about to cover that ground. So.
Did it march out?
We show them at a 3 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. It got through it, and on the 1 minute, it got through it down and got back through it. Left volume bounce going back through it, then retapped it at 9:30. I wouldn't be surprised if we continue up though. I'm already bullish. So it's the only thing that has actually given the signature with the gap down on anything. So the top side of 3 hour that has set up is irrelevant because the top side never gave a gap up in order for me to be interested in sales in the first place. So this is gonna be raw. Make money in the market every day. We make money in the market every day. We don't miss our entries. We find our PSPs and we roll on. And we might just need to really focus on these lower time frames. Well, that's what we've been doing, of course, but it's good to see those POIs getting hit like that on the 3 hour. I do like seeing that because the potentiality of it.
Red candle. That red candle. OYM on the 9 minute has a gap down.
Red candle on the 9 minute. Why are you looking at that? What are we waiting to happen, bro? On the 144, what are we waiting for to happen?
The same shit we're always waiting for.
Yeah, it's off the table, bro. The candle closed already. We were going to the top side. We were going to the top side. So it failed to give it to us. We don't have 3 consecutive green candles. So anything that happens after that candle closes is irrelevant. So 30-second. Let me go back. I got it on the 30-second, bro. Hold on, dude. I got it on the 30. They tried to slide this shit back like they did yesterday. Hold on, dude. PSP. Hold on. Here we go. I got yeah, you're not gonna be able to see this shit, dude. The 1003 candle is a PSP with the fucking setup right now. Let me get my fucking goddamn live account ready. It is 1004 too. It is 1004 right now. That's cool. Let's see what we got, bro. Let's see what we got. Hold on. 30-second. 30-second. 1004. 1004. Waiting for a gap down on YM. That's what I'm waiting for. I got a gap down closure. It'll be a wrap. I'm gonna enter this trade. Stop loss will go either 1002 or the 957. God, that 957 is garbage, dude. I'm just gonna have to let that shit go. I'm gonna have to fucking take a trade. 957 candle. I hate to do that, but if they give me a closure back above this a gap down again. They didn't close back above. I'm watching YM on the 30-second. They didn't get down. Let's see. Let's see if they want to make this motherfucker hold, dude. Now they got down. Now they closed past one volume imbalance. Let me hold on before I say close. They're going past the first volume imbalance. They're going past the second volume imbalance. They came back down. God damn, what the fuck, dude? First volume imbalance got closed past. You know something? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take buys here. Just based off of that first volume imbalance closure. I'm only putting on one contract. My stop loss is going down to the 57 low, which is dangerous already in itself, because 57 is not a prime number. I am not recommending this motherfucker, definitely, but I have about 8 minutes left in this macro. So the stop loss on this right here by itself, just this one contract is fucking $14 for me, bro, where I got it at. You know what I'm saying? So for you,
I'm in with 2 micros.
Hey, it is what it is, bro. I mean, I already told you where the stop losses need to go in order for this to be safe. The puts, maybe not 100, but maybe it'll hold, maybe it won't. We'll see how it goes. I'm not really driven by it. Every parameter was hit. I got the gap down and the close above volume about 30 seconds yesterday. So I mean, let's see what they want to do. Let's see what they want to do, bro. There you go. See what they want to fucking do. I got
order filled.
Tax on that shit's fucking goddamn like a $250 fucking stop loss for you. It might be close to more than that.
Well, I'm down 100.
Right now, shit, it might be more than close to 400 for you then. Yeah. If it does, I mean, I'm saying I ain't saying it is, but shh. I gave the heads up on a 957 candle, which is not a prime number. I know I said it. Yeah, absolutely. Which means you should have had one on. I mean,
I'm trying to keep the emotion out of this trade, because if I start feeling emotion, my rules are that I have to leave.
For sure. All right, so Yeah, stop loss is below the 957.30 candle for me, and I don't want it down there per se, but they gave me what I needed to see, so it is what it is. It's do what? Yeah. It doesn't matter, bro. I'm not really worrying about where the current prime numbers are. I'm looking at the ones that don't last. As you've been shown that they don't last, is what I'm saying. You've been shown that they don't last. I don't. Yeah, you don't know if they're gonna come get hit or not, but you've been shown that they always come back and get hit. Maybe not immediately, but you've seen them all come back, bro. And it might be an hour, but it could be right now. That's all I'm saying. I would hope not now. I don't want it to come right now, but what I'm going to do, prime numbers, you already know prime numbers hold. Yeah. I mean, either way, you'll see how it transpires. It is what it is. I really don't fucking damn. Yeah, trade wise, it is what it does. You know what I'm saying? Which is cool. I'm not really tripping about it. I would love for that bitch to come back down again, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I got my stop loss a little bit below the shit, which is why my shit is fucking 14 on the real contract, which is cool.
Order filled.
Wyman is not giving a potential at this current time. 3 minute. I got nothing 3 minute. 30-second did give it, so I'm not worrying about the 30-second anymore. It is what it is with the 30-second. 3 minute YM, nothing. 1 minute YM, nothing. 6 minute, nothing. And we already know that the 9 minute has nothing. So what they are doing is giving the 3 candle pattern without the same colors right now on NQ. Just taking note of that, just to being aware of everything that's in your eyes around on the charts. Let's see how they want to fucking play this motherfucker, bro. I really hate this fucking goddamn prime number on them, bro. They're just like they ran that 6 yesterday and kicked me out, bro. Man, I'm trailing, dude. I ain't fucking with these people right now, dude. I'm even if it does go, I'm cool. I'm cool. Yeah, I'm cool because that prime number is fucking with my emotions right now.
We have free exposure to the market right now.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
Free exposure.
Man, if I was you, I would take one of them off the table and get your free exposure off one, bro. Don't sit there and hold that thing, bro.
No, I'm for 2. At break even. At 2 at break even.
Okay, well, you should be up on this trade right now. That's what I'm saying. And even if you take off one, you still already have profit on the table, is what I'm saying. I mean, if you want to let it come back, that's on you. But it is what it is. Not saying that it will, but I'm pretty sure that it's going to come back based on what I now know. Whether it come back now or whether it comes back later, it's going to come back, bro. And it's going to be sometime today. They're not going to fucking leave that shit like that right there, bro. I doubt it. I doubt it, but I mean, they could. We've seen them go for a little while and then come back. Now you can get some off of it, but do your thing. Yeah. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Just do your thing. Do your thing, bro. You got it. You got this.
Appreciate it. I gotta be able to think it out. Good. You can go for a little while and come back. That's no point.
Yeah, it is, bueno. That's exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Because if I was that adamant about the prime number, those will be trailing opportunities. Even if they do that, the first one is trailing opportunities. you realize you got a prime number down there, then you should be like, well, I should be very aware that it's down there in the range, is what I'm saying. I know it's high, and I just can't tell you when it's coming back. So, and they might leave that motherfucker and say, fuck this SMT and goddamn. They, they very well they could, bro. I ain't saying they can't. They can do whatever the fuck they feel like. That's for sure. I do like that fucking high right there to the left, though. I ain't gonna even lie to you. If you ain't taking something off the table at 946 high, you fucking crazy, dude. I'm good. I'm good with this shit, dude. I'm really good with this shit. I would love to see them. Do what's that?
I'm out
Completely?
completely.
Okay.
I got 150.
Cakewalk.
Pickle.
Cakewalk, bro. Perfect.
Base hits, bro. Base hits.
That's it, bro. That's it.
That's all I need. That's all I need.
Now, what I would recommend, what I really would recommend, is they give these fucking sweeper this goddamn 957 candle. I would recommend you re-entering, bro. They already gave us the shit to the fucking top side. You know what I'm saying? So, long as somebody fails, it is what it is. But I ain't. If you good for the day, I'm good for the day too. Shit.
I mean, I'm not opposed to re-entering, but if I re-enter, it's going to be
144.
contracts. Two contracts on the low and 144 on the two.
Two? Are you gonna put on two more on Chris? All right, that's on you, bro. I ain't sitting here recommending two, but goddamn, I said keep goddamn the one you had and put on one and let the one roll.
Can I finish?
Go ahead.
With the reason why I would put on two instead of just one, but then approaching that low is because the stop loss would be so minimal. Like there's a lot of upside and very, very little downside.
Yeah,
The S&T on MQ, and that's two.
I mean you gotta wait for the change in state of delivery, get in the trade, but I mean it ain't just that it goes sweep the low and you. It ain't just sweep the low and you get in and push the buy button, bro. That's not what we're doing, bro. Somebody has to fail. I mean, Dolly, we won't be using the 144 at this point in time because the 144 is already shown that.
Well, I mean, we're getting the Tyson fist, right? The Tyson fist.
Oh shit, you tripping. That has no bearing on anything where I'm at. Yeah, you already deep with it. The trail one and left one running. I can say that shit could goddamn fucking do its thing, bro. I don't know how you justified it, but I mean, then you said base hits, and then just pick something, bro. Just you got to pick something, bro. Yeah, what do you think, bro? So Oh, it's rolling a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. Um. Oh, it's rolling a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. 1 minute. All right. So we got did a trade down here. Trailed out. We got ES broke the high. YM NQ broke the high. Let me check with YM real quick. YM has not broken that high yet, bro. YM has not. YM has failed to break that high right there. This high right here. So 946 high. SMT. Shit. Any of these highs. All right. But I got us coming back down to sweep this low right here. And that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for an entry path at this low right here. Down there, I'll enter buys. If it doesn't come back down there, then I'm going about my merry little way. And we had a good single trade this morning. So 3 minute has nothing. Let me check 3 minute on YM on another chart. I got nothing. Let me check my 6 minute. There we go. There go those red candles I was looking for. That's cool. There we go. 6 minute. I got nothing at all. Let me check the 9 minute. All right. Where is it at? Yeah, YM swept right here. I'm not gauging off of YM right now. YM already showed me that we wanted to go up based on our earlier, and then I'll be taking buys from that point if I get a change in the statement delivery down at the bottom. So that was.
Where are you waiting on the SMT at?
957, bro.
957. The one at the low. Okay. Okay. I was just making. I heard you say SMT. I didn't know if you were talking to somebody else, if you were talking to them or talking to me. I was just making sure it didn't change because it ranged for a mile and a half.
Yeah, I know y'all was waiting for the 957 candle. That's yeah. It's got to come back down there, but that didn't. Not too much to know that they're not going to come back down there. I guess, like I said, the time doesn't matter when they get there, but they're not going to leave that, bro. I mean, you already seen me call that a few times already, at least 2 or 3. Yeah, well, I don't know how many, but I know you've seen them come back. You know what I'm saying? They're coming to get back that shit, bro. They're not gonna let that shit. And I'll wait, and I'll wait for it because we already got our narrative. Especially if, Dali, we got another hour and a half for the 12 o'clock candle to close on the 3 hour. But if that 12 o'clock candle closes green above that volume imbalance, bro, they're about to run it up for the rest of the day into tomorrow. That's just what it is, bro. The higher time frame narrative is going to be bullish for the rest of this week. So yeah. All right. So down here and sweep this low. So at that point in time, as a matter of fact, I'm not probably going to sit online and wait for it just to be waiting online. I might just I'll finish out this macro. The macro starts at 10:42 for me. So if they can get down here at during the next macro window from 10:42 to 11:17, I'll take these buys. After that, I'm gone. Yeah, I'll stay for the second macro, and that's a wrap. But that should do it, bro. Once it hits that POI down there at the bottom, and you should be good to go for the rest of the day. Stop loss should go below this lows, man. Without NQ sweeping London lows, that'd be awesome. And if you were trading that, that's not how we get in trade, but that's what you guys would call it if you were trading that. But yeah, I can't do anything till it comes back down there per my strategy. So is not a prime number. And majority, if not all, prime numbers are highs or swing highs and swing lows in the market. So like this number right here, 27, that's going to get swept. That's not going to stay there. It needs to be a prime number at a swing high. Uh, all these should be getting taken out before they come down, honestly. But at any rate, let's see how they want to play it. Like I said, I'll sit tight until the next macro. This trade was pretty. I was just and if you go back and look at this stream and go back and look at this time frame again today, whether it happens today or whenever, they're going to take this low out, bro. They're not going to leave that low intact. So a little ways, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, I'd rather come back in the afternoon and get it and then take off, you know what I'm saying? But they're tripping about it because we won yesterday. We didn't trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday were good trades. Built today. And this strategy is 100% right now, bro. So it is what it is. No matter how short-lived it may be, they give you a way to get in, target the next high, and get your ass on about your business, like literally every day, like clockwork. So yeah, that's a wrap. I got nothing that I'm remotely even looking at right now, bro. I'm gonna check the real quick. Nothing. I'm gonna check the 6-minute real quick. I got nothing. Check the 9-minute real quick. I got nothing. I got a YM going completely up right now, dude. I would love for these people to come back down right now, dude. That would be so freaking awesome for them to come back down and let me in. And I will take that entry if they come back and let me in, as we've stated before. So here's our targeted low. I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna take a quick walk. We took that trade at right here. This is where we got in at. On the 30-second real quick. Okay, on the 30-second. To see if they show the pattern to the downside. Other than that, I want them to just shoot down. 957 is the targeted low. So let me see, buddy. Yeah, it was 10:06, 10:09-ish, whatever it was, 10:06, 10:07. Yeah, somewhere in there. That's so anytime this shows up, bro, you find the next prominent high, which would have been, first of all, on a 1 minute. It would, based on the entry, that's too shallow. I would not ask whether you choose it or not, bro. That's how I gauge what's prominent or not for me. No, the 946 high would have been the target. If the next high is too shallow, you're not gonna get you're not gonna make any money off of it. You got to pick the one that's gonna to deliver the most bang for your buck. I would not have chosen the 954, bro, at all. That's too shallow. From the 10:07 to that right there, that's for real scalpers. I'm not, no, absolutely not. First of all, that stop loss is big as fuck. First off, but it is what it is. Let's see how they want to play it. I'm looking at 30 seconds. See if they're coming back into the moving force. I'll wait for it, bro. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for this macro. Let me go grab something for you.
We got an hour and 17
Yeah, I mean, I won't be online. I'm gonna sit here, bro. I'm gonna sit here. Cause they may give us another 144 pattern entry to the top side. They usually only give one, which is why I'm banking that 30-second one they gave is gonna hold. That's why I just need somebody to fail down there on the bottom. I don't care who gets down there. They can all close below this motherfucker right now. As long as somebody gives me an SMT at the 957 candle. This week was the first thing. Now we're waiting for the second. This will be the second SMT. You see what I'm saying? This ain't the first SMT. This will be the second one on the lower time frame. And the 3 hour still needs to give it if it's the 3 hours going to hold. So somebody needs to do it. I got them coming down there, bro. There's no way they're not going to come down there, in my opinion. But you're going to see why I'm talking this noise I'm talking. I mean, and then you're going to realize that I know something a little bit more differently than everybody else when you primes are really going to set you off when you understand those primes are not going to hold. You might be more reluctant to get in some of those trades just because of the prime not being on the bottom where it should be. You know what I'm saying? So you might come across later. Yeah, and it'd be helpful to be familiar with them. Absolutely. I threw my list away. I need to write mine down again. But I mean, they it seems like I done missed some for some reason, bro. I mean, I don't know, but it is what it is. For the most part, I know. But that's I'm about to go put this motherfucker right here in the air, put some fire to this thing that I got twisted up, and I'm gonna come back and see where they are because they're not about to get down. I can't do anything till they come back down here. So there's no need for me to sit here and just bullshit around the computer when I can go put one in the air, grab me some juice, goddamn, get some fresh air. I could just fucking log off this motherfucker, goddamn, going about my business. Matter. Yeah, that's cool. I ain't gotta sit here, dude. I ain't gotta fucking sit here. I'm gonna kill off this stream. We took a small scalp this morning, based on the 30-second. I'll put it in the comments down there for the timestamp. If anybody wants to backtrack and go to the 30-second and look how I got into this trade. I called it out verbatim on the 30-second based on YM and the whole strategy that we use to get into the market. So if it's fine.